Hello everyone, so I am creating this video to guide you how you can download your images without losing your image quality from Google Sheet or either MS Office or even MS Excel. So even if you are using Google Sheet also, the steps are simple. So example, if I have the images from here, so you see I have some images, right? So I want to download these images. So if I will try other options like right clicking on that image particularly, like I will not get the option to download this image. But there is an alternate option. If you have 100 or 1000 images in one file or document, you can download it in one go. So even if you are using Windows or MacBook, it will work for every document. So what you need to do is, so right now I am using Google document. So if you have the document file in docx format like MS Office format, so for that case what you need to do is you need to open the document in Google Sheet, because when you try to open any document in a MacBook, it will not allow you to open it, and the images will remove automatically from the document. So that is the reason what you need to do is, whatever document you want to open, try to open in Google Sheet or Google document. Example, I am using Google document. For that case, I have imported the MS of document in Google document. So for that case, opening the document in Google document, what you need to do is you need to go to file, open, and upload the file, whatever you want to import the document in Google document. So now what you need to do is you just need to go to files, download, and you need to check for website page HTML download option. So what will do is it will allow you to download the all images in one file in zip format. So just click this one. Now I need to go to files, and if I click here, it will extract the file, and then I will get two files. So one contains all the images without losing the images quality. You can see all the images are available here. Similarly, it will work for Google Sheet also. If you have Google Sheet, and in Google Sheet there are some chances you may get images in Google Sheet, from that also you can download it directly. So the exception only here is if you are using MacBook, then you need to use Google document. This you can search in Google also, Google document. If in case you have documents, or if you have, you need to click on first link. Automatically, it will redirect to your uh, redirect to a page. Then go to document. From here you can take a blank page, or whatever, I mean, you can use your own, or if from here you can use sheets also. If in case you have sheet, you just need to click on sheets, and you need to click on import. So it will allow you to import the file which you have in your system. For Windows, it does not require any other further steps. You can click on, you can download the images directly using MS Office. And if in case you don't have the MS Office license, then you can use Google Sheet to import the file, and then you need to follow the same step. Go to file, download, and download as web page HTML. If you have MS Office, then that will allow you to change in a different steps. You need to go to the in MS Office. You will see the option of file, then save as you need to select the HTML format, and then also it will allow you to download the file in zip format. Then you can extract the zip and use the images as you want. Hope this video is helpful for you. If in case you have any doubt related to website development, or if you need any help related to website development or website maintenance, you can contact me. Thank you.